I remembered when I first went to law school and LA law was out and everybody thought being an attorney was a glamorous job. It's not. It's not at all. You have to do a lot of research. You have to sit down and get to know the life of your client, a life that you are unfamiliar with. I had a client that was a Top Gun Navy pilot and had been all over the world fighting for our country's freedom. When you're in one of those jets, the G-forces upon your body year after year after year is extremely difficult, and it's very hard on your body. His medical records showed all the pain and the strains that he had put upon his neck and his back. Especially in certain maneuvers, he would tell me he often had to put his arm up to brace himself as he did these difficult maneuvers. He'd been over countries that we've only read about on the news in order to keep our country safe. He gets into an accident. Is it a big accident? No, but guess what it did? It did just enough to push him over the edge, and a man that was able to complete all his physical training regimen without a blemish on his record in the Navy. He ran marathons all the time. He was able to do activities with his wife and his children without any hesitation. Though he had lots of sore backs and necks, you know, from his duty as a pilot. He retires, he gets in this accident. The insurance company doesn't want to settle with him. What do they yell at him about and what do they accuse him of? Oh, you had all of these problems before this accident. It's not that big of an accident. We don't believe you. Well, we believed him. I believed him. We brought his case in here. As a matter of fact, we gave him a nickname around the office. We called him Captain America because he truly believed in what he did for our country. And he made no excuses about it. And he said, yes, this is my record. But I persevered through all of that. And I'm here to tell you, after this accident, I can't do these things that I could do before. And he tried. Did he just sit around and say, you know, I'm in pain from this accident? No, he actually tried. He tried to do all the things that he had planned to do with his life from the retirement, because he immediately got a new job, of course, being a pilot, but for, you know, for a commercial airline. All of these things had to be put on hold while he did his recovery. We filed his lawsuit. We went all the way through depositions until we finally convinced the insurance company to take a second look at his case and believe that this man, who had been through so much in his career, that yet a simple auto accident could alter all of that. We achieved satisfactory results for him. He was very pleased, and we thank him for his services.